If your kitchen is big enough, then you should without a doubt have a kitchen island added during your renovation. It's a great thing that adds storage, place to eat, and many more things. It is the ideal place to balance separation and congregation, making sure that hosts can cook and clean while they socialize with their guests. And they can be a great place for kids to do homework under the watchful eye of their parents. The kitchen is certainly one of the most difficult spaces to design in a home. Selecting the best vintage kitchen design ideas and figuring out how one should design a kitchen island can be quite confusing for homeowners. Although there is no set formula for determining how to size a kitchen island, some guidelines on measurement can help. Watch this video completely to get the latest kitchen island designs. Before you begin thinking about what range you would like and smart storage solutions, you should decide what the main function of your island will be. Many islands have one side that devoted to eating and a side that is devoted to cooking. But what will you focus on? Cooking, preparation work, cleaning, entertaining, or eating? Or will you decide to use it for your activities including house projects and homework? If you want sink and appliances in your island, you will require additional space. If it will be used only for meals, seating should be your main priority. Discussion about an island is really only a small subset of issues that are the overall design of the kitchen and the surrounding space must resolve. In the overall scheme, what is delegated to the kitchen island is part of the overall flow of living and working patterns. The kitchen island is just a part of a solution, and this is where the one should focus on. If your budget for home renovation is tight, then you don't need to spend your hard-earned money on an interior designer. To get the latest interior design ideas, you don't need to search the internet or YouTube. You just need to subscribe us and bookmark our site interiordecordesign.in. Just have faith in yourself and trust on us. We will showcase the best interior design ideas that you will find anywhere. All our designs have a combination of modern and trending interior decoration ideas. Just watch all our video and follow our website and app to get your home decorated. If you have decided that you will integrate your kitchen appliance into the island, you should plan for the function and the spacing. If the main kitchen sink is on the island, you will require a dishwasher and you will have to decide whether the dishwasher will be placed on the left or the right of your sink. If the island is going to be the main preparation area, you will require compost, trash and recycling areas nearby too. How large is your kitchen? If you have a big kitchen and your fridge is not near the kitchen island, you might want to have a smaller under-counter fridge nearby. If you are installing a cooktop, you should take the space required for a hood or exhaust vent into account. You should make a list of all the things you want in your kitchen island. In order of priority, you might not be able to get all your items in your kitchen island, but you should try to get at least your top 5 features. Will you figure out what appliances and features are right for your kitchen island? It is also important that you work within the existing space constraint for your kitchen. Many tend to believe that lavishingly large kitchens are blessed because of the available space they have. While that is often true, huge kitchen also creates some unique design challenges. An island that you choose must always be proportional to the size of your kitchen. If it is too big, then you will inevitably feel claustrophobic, and a diminutive island is both ungainly and a waste of precious space. How much storage do you require? This is mainly dependent on the layout of your kitchen. If you have a space for a layout of cabinetry in your kitchen, the island storage might not be a main priority. If the island is to be your main preparation area, the sink and other kitchen appliances might have to come first, but try to make room for the cutting boards and the preparation utensils near the sink. Normally, two 24 inches base cabinet back to back will accommodate more under island functions. But you should ensure that an island is not too big with some extra space in the middle. You should make your kitchen island 3 feet wide because that tend to look best. But sometimes a width of 2 feet is the best fit. The length can be as little as 4 feet, but you should plan for at least 7 feet if you want to accommodate a cooktop, a sink and a dishwasher. How high should be the counter? The first thing you should determine is your seating height. If you would like to have a bar stool at the island, you will have to decide if it is 36 or 42 inches height. A 42-inch high bar stool and bar normally have more flexibility, and the kitchen island can be designed with 2 levels. The dining side should be set higher to accommodate the bar stool and the working side lower for preparing work. The step that is in between is a great place for placing electrical outlets too. A 36-inch height bar offers for seating that's between the table seat and a typical bar stool. It does not allow for a high flexibility in design, but it can be a great choice for a defined eating area. You should leave at least 12 inches for overhang of the kitchen island with seating areas, but 15 to 18 inches feel more comfortable. How will it fit into the kitchen layout? The kitchen design isn't static but rather organic in nature. The busy nature of this important space requires that every section is designed cohesively. Ensure that the working side of your kitchen island functions well with the opposite counter. Will your kitchen island make sense with the other part of your kitchen? Can it complete the work triangle of the sink, refrigerator and the range? Or do you require another working area that has a preparation sink? If your budget for the home renovation is tight, then you don't need to spend your hard-earned money on interior designers. To get the latest interior design ideas, you don't need to search the internet or YouTube. You just need to subscribe us and bookmark our site interiordecordesigns.in. Just have faith in yourself and trust on us. We will showcase the best interior designs that you will find on internet or any place. All our designs have a combination of modern and trending interior decoration ideas. Just watch all our video and follow our website and app to get your home decorated. You can find the link of our website and our app in the description box below. The open floor area that's around the kitchen island also needs some calculation. You should ensure that there are approximately 3 feet of floor space on the island's end. Working sides of a kitchen island should have a minimum of 42 inches of space, but more than 5 feet normally is not necessary. Demarcate the space in your kitchen that you wish to utilize for the island and check out how close it is to the kitchen counters. Most homeowners tend to forget about leaving enough isle space as they are too focused on the kitchen island itself. If you have a small kitchen, then experts suggest that a minimum of 36 inches is an absolute must, while 42 inches the counter would be ideal. Having too much space between the counter and the island is not ideal either, as you would be wasting too much time and efforts scurrying between the two. Storage units and smart cabinets are an essential part of the modern kitchen island. They allow you to tuck away the mess, organize your kitchen in a better fashion, and make sure that everything you need is handy. If you desire a well-organized space, there are quite a few alluring options. And once again, the choice of shelving units and cabinets should be determined by the specific need of your kitchen. small kitchen with limited shelving will benefit from extra deep drawers and large fold-away inserts that will provide you with ample storages. The kitchen is the heart of the house, and inevitably you will find the family gathering around the kitchen island for a quick bite in the morning or a lovely meal at night. Plan in advance for the seating space that you will need to accommodate you at the island. Many modern islands come with a design that places the countertop for food and drinks a tad higher than the one used for preparing and serving meals. This also allows you to choose a wider range of kitchen bar stools or chairs. Also, make sure you take into account the required knee clearance space for sitting comfortably at the island. Whether you intend to cook at the kitchen island or not is a choice that you need to make pretty early in the planning stage. If you plan on adding a cooking amenities, you must take into account the additional cost and design constraints that come into play. Because of plumbing and additional gas lines, a kitchen island that doubles as a cooking station will also need a few smart appliances incorporated into its design. An island is a brilliant centerpiece that will instantly lift the appeal of your kitchen, but planning for it is all about putting practical ahead of aesthetics. And if you are still stuck when it comes to making decision about the design of your island, it will be best to call in some expert help. At the end of the day, it's all about designing that beautiful kitchen of your dreams. friends, hope you like this video, and for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates. For the latest and trending interior decoration designs, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest trend in interior decorations. You can also follow us on our social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram and Pinterest for more design ideas. All the link is there in the description box below. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can do one thing. You can download our app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below. So hope you like these videos and design ideas, and we'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.